Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Michael McCarville, and in this episode, we're going to build the Bodie Post Office, which is in the ghost town of Bodie, California, which is actually a pretty cool place if you ever have a chance to go visit it. This is a kit from Best Trains, and I want to thank Brian from Best Trains for allowing me to feature this kit in their video series. This is one of their premium kits, so let's get to it. So this was a post office that was actually in the ghost town during the boom time, and what I wanted to do is basically build this kit very similar to what it looks like because I was doing a lot of fancier Western style buildings, and I wanted to do a couple that really look fairly plain, not a lot of fancy paint and decals, anything like that. So this kit actually really appealed to me, and I think I'm going to probably adapt a couple other kits so it looks like it's maybe a little bit more of a rundown environment. So there's notes below, and like the previous build videos that we've done for Best Trains, we're going to follow the same format. So I'm going to show you a parts overview, and then I'm going to go through every single step, one step at a time, and then we'll take a look at the finished product and wrap it up at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, that's going to do it for this kit build. I like the way this is situated. Actually, I like the windows and doors on two walls. I'm going to probably use this as a corner to a street, but I also like the way just the color features of it too. Kind of makes it a little plain, so it's not quite like every Western building super fancy. So until next time, thanks for watching, and have fun modeling. See you guys.